Okay, today I'm going to run you through how I take my screenshots from my digital development pages. So the first thing you're going to want to do is change your display style. So down here, picture display settings and the picture of the computer screen, you click that one. Visual style, and then I like to do shaded with hidden edges, or shaded with visual edges. It's up to you, just to make it look a little bit more like a CAD drawing. You can then use your timeline down here, go back to the start, and you can start to see, if you hit the play button, you'll actually see how your whole lamp came to fruition. You can see all your steps that you've taken. So the point of the digital development is to show you how you've actually made your lamp, and so you can talk about some of the design decisions that you made for that particular lamp. You might even include, if you've done multiple drawings to try and get your lamp right, you might even include different screenshots from different pictures showing you how you derived at your final solution. So I'm going to drag back to the start here. I can use my arrows. I mean, that's my first one I started. I can actually show the revolve there. I can go Command-Shift-4. That's my first picture that I use. I mean, you don't need every single step. Then I might show maybe to here about how I shelled it out and created these lips to glue surfaces on. Command-Shift-4. Another one there. I might show how I've done this, put this bit on. You might want to change your view around. That's cool as well. I might come side on. Command-Shift-4. Show how I've put one slot in there. And then show how I've mirrored it. I've done the pattern the whole way around. And then how I'm putting the top on. I might show that from an angle so you get a bit of a better idea. Command-Shift-4. Show how I put that ridge in. That might look better from a side view, I reckon. Command-Shift-4. On that one, and take that picture there. Now I've brought my base into this piece here. Might go to my isometric view, and then I've got sort of a final completed picture now that I've inserted my base in, so I'll take a final photo on that one as well. I might just change the angle a little bit there. Command-Shift-4. I'll box around those ones. Now that will have saved all those images to the desktop, which I can use for the digital development. The other one I need to do is I need to do a nice high quality render of this for my final solution page. So to do that, go to Model up at the top left hand corner, and we're going to go to Render. I'm just going to change my work mode here. Make sure you get a view that you're happy with. And you can hit A for appearances and change what materials you've assigned to different areas and make it look as realistic as possible. I'm pretty happy with these materials I've already assigned. Up on the play button here, that's going to start your in-canvas render. And this is actually going to use all the computer's power to try and generate quite a realistic looking version of your lamp. Now, depending on the power of your computer, you pretty much want to get it up to excellent if you can. So you might have to wait a while it does that. And then once you get to a copy, or once you get visually something on the screen that looks like what you want, and I imagine it'll be up near this excellent side of things, up in this in-canvas render, you can hit Capture Image, current document window, hit OK, and then you can actually save that to your desktop. And that'll give you an image that you can use in your folio. And that will give you your images for your digital development as well as your high quality render for your final solution page.